Hey D Squad. Yeah, we are on the road. Now usually we're not gonna see Adriana drive and me riding shotgun. Today I'm driving. Alright people, we are going country. It's the holiday weekend. You hear that? I'm excited, you know man. Like this guy has been counting down 7 days, 6 days, 5 days to our weekend. You might look forward to it, right? So we are going to Ocho. We're going to stay over a couple of days. So all of the people, look, wait, me block them out. Yes, I'll have it there. Ready?
You want to see Kai guys?
And Kai is around here.
Say hi to the vlog, Carrie. This is Carrie, guys. He's in his own little world. Say hi, Jaden. Hi, guys.
Hey guys, what's going on? What's up? So you can see, it's just me and my mom, right? Jaden ditch we. Jaden in a cast car. Cast have to drive because a bunch of us. So all we can hold in one car. You get me? So cast over there with my youngest sibling and Jaden in this car with my mom. So yeah guys. But Jaden sell we out because I should have we and him there in here, so you know, of course carry over there too. So one of the reasons why Jaden will want go in another car there because he want to drive with Kyrie.
So I totally forgot to carry you guys along. So it was my intention to carry you guys when I was doing my nails and do my hair. And I was supposed to do my eyebrows too. But the week is just crazy. The week is so crazy. So I got braids. Yeah. I'm gonna give you a full picture like probably when I'm out of the car. Well, I'm actually waiting for Adrian, so I'm gonna do it outside. So we're going on a family weekend.
Yes, guys. Hi, guys.
Look at Kai. Kai's like, what is snow? so let me show you how it looks. Now you guys remember this outfit? Finally I premiere it. This is the braids. So finally girl I fix up pregnancy. Pregnancy much below, you know, but finally slowly coming back. You know?
This is the first time I traveled in this car.
Yes. So this vlog should also be about the first time carrying baby in this car, right? Yeah. We did our first Kyrie. So we need to do our first baby too. Right? So are you enjoying it so far? It's good? Jaden say him like this car. It's raining guys. I guess who's here? Who that? Who that? See him there? Yeah people. See him there? And it is a rainy day on the highway.
Hey,
Hey, guys.
how is the drive? It was good?
Yes.
You ditch me. Hey, ditch me.
That car before.
Huh?
I didn't drive in that car before.
Okay.
And I've been driving in this car for 2 or 3 years now.
Okay, alright. Let's see what Kyrie I go out with. Hey guys, so we're in Ocho. Alright. We're gonna get checked into our Airbnb soon, but we are going to burn some time. Right, we came down a little early. Oh crap, I almost even dropped my phone. Yeah, but Get our go burn sometime, guys.
Hi, Kai. Just wake up.
Kai, wakey. Hey, Kyrie, what's up? You gonna take him out?
Yeah.
Oh. We're here, guys, you know, unpacking. Everybody want to pack out. Them plan to do a portion of cooking and the works, you know. Hey, guys, so carry one whole heap of food. Oh, and by the way, guys, important to note, Val's kitchen there, you know.
Hi, guys.
Val's kitchen there, you see me? She gonna cook up a storm. She gonna cook up a storm and make the weekend enjoyable, you know what I mean? Because this is for her way, you know, so she love it, you know, she love her cooking, you know. So, Val's Kitchen, guys, subscribe to our channel. Link in the description, you know? Yeah, man. Hey, Kyrie. Hey. Say hi. Say hello. Yes. Say hi. Hey. Hey, Kyrie. Yes. Yes. So we're here. This is Cassie's nephew. Alright, our brother, big brother, son, this.
Little brother.
Little brother.
Little brother.
Yeah. You're my big man now. Yeah.
Big brother, but he must still little brother.
Say hi, Amir. Say hi. Hello. Yeah, man, another one of them boy them again. Yeah, man, them there in the place.
Hi, guys.
So they say
Hello.
yeah, man. And guys,
Come here, please.
Here?
if you haven't seen the house tour for this apartment, right? Link in the description as well for that. Alright. So you can see a detailed tour of the space. Alright, as we bring it to you, Delprat family style. Alright.
He's still cooking.
Hey!
He's still cooking.
Kyrie! Hey, Kyrie! Hey, Kyrie! Hey, Kyrie! Hey, Kyrie! Hey! Hey! Say hi! Say hi! Yeah. So how we this, guys? Oh,
Thank
God.
you, baby.
If you think we don't left this, you make a sad mistake. Yeah.
Yeah, set up your entertainment already.
Of course. Woo! Hey! Take that finger out your mouth. Take those out your mouth. Hey! Hey, buddy.
Yeah, someone can choose, please.
Kyrie. Some? Thanks. You don't unpack yet? Still unpack? A portion of cooking I plan to put on, man. Yeah. So we're there, fully situated and now. We'll get ready to go to the pool, by the way. You know. Kyrie just drop asleep. We'll take him up when I leave him. Alright. Cass nephew. Yeah. Yeah, man. Val's kitchen there. How you say I cook, mommy? Shepherd's pie. Yeah, guys, so you can subscribe to Val's Kitchen, link in the description. Alright, see how she deal with that dish there, you know? Yeah, mommy.
Okay, kind of
Small. Oh, yeah,
so
transfer. Shepherd's pie coming up, among other dishes. Yeah, so we got the pool and things. So, yeah, guys. See you down at the pool, guys, alright? See you at the pool. Hey guys, we're out here.
Why would they here?
We're out here, guys.
Carrie, they are sleep. Carrie, serious about sleeping today. At this minute, he's serious about sleeping. I want to tell you guys, we are trying to get him to sleep all day. Finally gone.
Jaden has splish splash. Soon go join him now. We'll change off and join Jaden.
No.
How tall are you, Jaden?
No diving.
Right there, so. Right, stay right to that 3 feet here for me. You're a little sir.
I can't stand up.
Go on that water. Go on that water. Go on that water. Woo!
Look at this. Look at this. Look at this.
I'm looking.
Hey, we're ready.
You ready, babe? You ready for take it on, eh?
Yeah, man. Ready.
Guys, I move. Guys, look at this. I'm gonna get up, boy.
Hey.
Guys, what's that epic comment down below? Okay, you guys want to see a super roll off?
Cassie does life with Kai Kai. Hello. 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 Hey. 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 Hello. Hello.
Epic, yo. Epic.
Kai, look around here. Kai, look at daddy. See daddy and Jaden in the water? You see now? Kai,
Oh my god.
you see daddy and Jaden in the water? You so join them in the water, you know? People? You see him bigger than him just born? In a little while, he might be in the water with them just running around, right? Wow.
Hey. Yeah, hello.
They're enjoying themselves, people. Future diving champion.
Lord God, Janet. Where you learn that? Lord,
Future diving champion, man. Yes, be very careful, please.
Wait, Daddy. Okay.
Olympics diving.
And here we are watching, right? Right, Kai? Yeah, watch them dive.
In the water?
You Kai? No, he's not going in the water today. He's chilling. We are chilling, right? While the other boys go diving.
Hey. Yes.
Watch me for it. Watch me for it.
Ma.
Okay? Alright.
Have you wrapped up, guys? I have to make sure it's warm, you know?
Yeah. It's kind of chilly out here.
I don't know what to do. I'm still a beginner, you know.
Yes. Oi!
Guys, we are here on the first night of our family weekend, and Val's Kitchen prepared us dinner. Look out for the video, guys. So we're eating shepherd's pie and vegetables, and it tastes good. All right. So look out for it. Adrian and Paul, my bro, is outside. So I'll introduce you to my brother as well. It is awesome. So I get to introduce my brother to you guys as well. All right. So you see, there's one big family, right? And remember, guys, go in the comment section. We want to hear from you what you do this weekend, right? I'm going to do that right now, right?
Video man, first and then video.
So then you eat all of the food and wait for me. Let me see if you have none left for me. Let me see which one I want there.
There's none left for you. There's none left. None is left. It's all mine.
It's so nice, man.
It's all mine. None is left for you.
Nice. So share. I'm hungry, you know. Share it out to me now, please. Please, ma.
Please, ma.
Ma, are you near ma?
Ma.
Share it out to me.
Please.
Can brother come free me with them?
Yes, I. Yeah, man.
Oh, yeah.
So, hey, me and Winston, you know. So what going on?
D squad. Paul Campbell. Paul Campbell. D squad.
Big up.
Cass brother.
Big up.
Earlier me say Cass big brother, but I really little brother.
Okay?
A big brother, a big brother. A big brother, here people.
Little brother.
Yeah, man.
Alright?
Mm-hmm.
Don't kid.
Yeah, I'm here.
Another bite. Put another bite.
So you like shepherd's pie?
Yeah, man, I eat, man.
I eat.
Yeah, man, I eat, man.
Never try, never tried.
Yeah, man, me I go on with things, man. Yeah, man, me I go on with things, man.
So I want this.
This is yours.
Paul.
Oh, yeah?
We are introduced to
Oh,
Paul.
yeah?
What are you introduced
We
to?
don't hear thing them here, you know.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, I might think that one. Mm-hmm.
And I say you won't be caught in that situation. I'm not that police.
That me want to wait for that boat.
Big people argument for you.
Something sweet, you man.
Yeah, man. So then I don't watch him, man. I have to link up, Paul. That's it. I have to link up,
Big up
Paul.
yourself, man. Big up yourself, man.
Straight.
I've 1 and 2 in like curfew, you know?
Yeah, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Hey, say hi. Say hi to these squad. Come close and us. Say hi. Say hello. Say hello.
Say hi,
Hi,
Kai.
D squad.
Say hi, baby. Say
Say hello.
hi. Hi.
Sure.
Hey. Hey guys. They are going easy, you know? I want to with baby now, I love other baby, you know? Yes.
Good morning, guys. How are you all doing? Guys, a while ago I just saw a cat running with a lizard. I don't know where I'm going to. Guys, grandma is cooking fried dumpling and collard green.
Jaden.
And look at this.
Hey, what go on? Morning, what's up? Just rise, you know? Just rise up. Black and Jaden there.
Morning. Okay, it's a little bit too close. Hey guys, morning. We are here with the early risers.
Say good morning, Kyrie. Say good morning, Kyrie.
Morning, Mr. I'm up from 5 o'clock in the morning, Kyrie.
Yeah. So you're doing a sweater, Jaden?
This morning it was cold.
Oh, a little cold this morning.
Yes.
Okay. Very good now. Alright. Yeah. Yeah guys, so today we have a lot of activities planned. You get me, I say. You know, supposed to go to an amusement park. You see me? We're not gonna see that. Right? And we're about to have breakfast. Right? Mom out there preparing breakfast. It's a whole heap of things. You know, so just want to get breakfast out of the way and we hit the road. So guys, you can stay tuned for that.
You want breakfast now? Breakfast time, Kai? Breakfast time, Kyrie?
Wakey. Say good morning, Grandma.
Kyrie, morning.
Say good morning, Grandma. Good morning.
Come here.
Ooh.
Wake up.
Yeah.
Sponge. Spongy, pushing. Look now. Look at the people.
Say hi.
Wait.
Good morning. Good morning. Some fruits though. Nice. Okay. So you cook the saltfish separate from the callaloo. Yeah, me like it because sometimes what go on is the saltfish when they cook it with the callaloo, it change the flavor, so you know. I mean, I really mean it. I mean, I love it. I love it so.
Because you know, get the real nutrients, you know. You know that? Cook down the nutrients from the callaloo. Callaloo is a different nutrients by itself. So when you go put the saltfish with it, everything crash.
Breakfast time. Callaloo. Oh, you get one? Okay. Yeah. Alrighty. But mommy, them things look good though. Yeah, man.
Yes, good too.
me will know. Well, it look, me know it tastes good for sure, but yeah, me not taste it yet. Yeah. Yeah, man. Yes, that's it for now.
Yeah. Can I have it now?
You ready to eat now?
Thank you.
You can take one too.
Look, I'm on the one inside of the part.
By the way, guys, Jay is right here. Jay here. Very nice.
You can eat food, Kai? Let us spray. Let us spray. Thank you for preparing this, for blessing us with the preparation of this meal. Granted, may not manufacture body in the arm, but keep us out of danger. It's his name, I pray.
Amen. Baby, I see the comment playing. Channel yesterday about look on the Christian wife.
We never see it.
Oh, I mean, see it and
I was going through them, but we never get to go through all of them.
maybe take it out, but may I say, we shouldn't move it to now. Some people just obnoxious, like, so guys, just put up a video or try on haul, and apparently somebody in that comment, cause by the way, she's a Christian, as you may say so. Apparently in that comment, somebody feel like saying a Christian, like, me don't know. So me I wonder what wrong because to me, I say that's like some of them like boring.
Not even boring, but appropriate. Like, I guess they were talking about quality, the shorts. I don't really know what they're talking about, but every clothes have a occasion, and everywhere you can go wearing a pants. Sometimes you wear shorts. So you have to have clothes.
I could have anything.
Because yesterday we were gonna go to to the park that we're gonna go today, but we were just a bit too late, so we ended up having to change our plans. So if you're going there, we can't go there wearing a pants. So we'll have to wear shorts. That's why I got shorts.
Yeah.
And we have activities coming up. So to each his own. To each his own. There are different occasions where you're gonna need to wear different clothes, and so I get clothes to fit my occasion. I am never inappropriately dressed. I'm always dressed appropriately. So everybody has a different opinion.
I know exactly the reason for the comment, to be honest, because I don't never true. I slap you by your butt, I don't know if I that. I don't know.
Have a husband, my husband doing it.
Exactly, so
That's what husbands do.
these trolls sometimes like I see the comment on me and say that person so unhappy.
That's the right
With them
word.
life.
Sure, that is the right word, you know. You see with internet, you'll find them things there. You have to just brace yourself. Right?
Then the cameraman.
You have to just brace yourself for all kind of something.
Yeah.
Hey, Gary.
It's nice though.
Yeah.
Halalu, turn up, salt fish, turn up.
And it's crunchy. Crunchy,
It's
and I love
so
the color.
You have to put no pepper. You realize?
I'm not realize about it. Cool.
Yeah, so yo, I cool off for the pepper just because. For me alone, myself, yeah, pepper about.
Love pepper, you know, people. Can't keep up.